Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and everyday tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to activate your Kemp Card for 2025. If you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. The Kemp Card is a versatile tool for secure payments and access, and activating it is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll require your physical Kemp Card, a smartphone or computer with internet access, and perhaps a valid ID for verification. This ensures a smooth process and keeps your account secure. Step 1. Download the official Kemp app from your device's app store or visit the Kemp website on your browser. Once installed or opened, create an account if you haven't already. Use a strong password and verify your email to get started. Next, log into your account and navigate to the Activate Card section. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, like the 16-digit number on the back and the expiration date. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any errors. Now, for security, the app will send a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Enter this code promptly to proceed. If you're using biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID, enable that for faster future logins. Once verified, confirm the activation by reviewing the details on screen. You'll get a success message, and your card should be ready to use. Test it out with a small transaction to ensure everything's working. A quick tip: if you run into issues, like an error message, check your internet connection or contact Kemp support through the app. They're usually quick to help. Activating your Kemp Card is all about staying secure and convenient in 2025's digital world. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.